श्री राग महला पहला कर दूजा मुकाम कर बैसना नित चलने की तोख मुकाम ता पर जानिए जा रहे नहीं चल लोक। How can we consider this world as our permanent abode and the resting place and just sit here like this is our home forever, when in reality there is always an urge to depart from here? We can only think of this world as the lasting place of rest only if it is really to remain stable and unchanging forever. दुनिया कैसे मुकामे कार सिदक करनी खरच बाधो लाग रहो नामे रहाओ. What sort of the resting place is this world? We should remain committed to the Naam forever. Live the righteous life, doing deeds of faith, and pack up these as the supplies for our spiritual journey. Pause. जोगीता आसन करब है मुल्ला बहे मुकाम पंडित वखाण है पोथिया सिद्ध बहे देव स्थान. The yogis, they keep sitting in their yogic postures, and mullahs keep sitting in their resting places. The Hindu pandits keep reciting from their books, and siddhas keep sitting in the temples of their gods. सुर सिद्ध गण गंधर्व मुन जन शेख पीर सलार दार कूच कूचा कर गए अवरे भी चलन हार. The angels, siddhas, worshippers of Shiva, the heavenly musicians, silent saints, priests, preachers, spiritual teachers, commanders, each and every one of them have departed finally, and all others shall depart as well. सुल्तान खान मलूक उमरे गए कर कर कुछ कड़ी मुहत के चलना दिल समझ तुम्हें पहुँच. The Sultan, kings, all the rich and the mighty ones, they have marched away in succession. In another moment you shall depart too. O my heart, understand that you must go away from this world as well. शब्दाह माहे वखाणिए विरला तबूझे कोए नानक वखाणे बेनती जल थल महियल सोए. All these facts of life and spirituality are mentioned in all the books of knowledge, but hardly anyone understands them and appreciate. Only very few one understand this. Nanak offers his prayer to the one and only who is pervading everywhere in the water, the land and the air. अल्लाह लख अगम कादर करणहार करीम सब दुनियावण जावणी मुकाम एक रहीम. The true God, the creator of all, is fathomless, is beyond description. He is Allah, the unknowable, the inaccessible, all-powerful and the merciful creator. All the world comes and goes, only, the merciful God, the one and only, remains permanent and everlasting. मुकाम तिसनो आखिए जिस सिस न होवी लेख असमान तरती चालसी मुकाम ओही एक. Permanent and everlasting is only that one who does not have any destiny inscribed upon the forehead. The sky and the earth shall pass away. The Vaheguru alone is permanent, the only thing which is not controlled by laws of nature is everlasting. So all this earth and sky are all transient except the true Vaheguru who is everlasting. दिन राव चलाए निस सास चलाए तारिका लाख पलोए मुकाम ओही एक है नानका सच बुगोए. The day and the sun all pass away, the night and the moon also passes away, the hundreds and thousands of the stars disappear. He alone is permanent. The sun and moon, the day, the night, and millions of stars all disappear in due course. O Nanak, the main Vaheguru remains forever and ever. महले पहले 17